Happy Friday, fellow investors and fellow stock guardians. It's January 22nd, 2021. I'm Hoda, co-founder and CEO of StockGuard, and I'm back with another daily market recap report directly from my daily stock market research desk. The S&P 500 and the Dow indices finished Friday in the red, but only barely. While the Nasdaq index ended the day in the green, that one also moved only slightly. President Biden signed an executive order to enhance the distribution of the stimulus checks, among a few other enhancements. And once again, market crash warnings by billionaires and investors crowded the news. Charlie Munger, Buffett's right hand, was one of them who complained about not finding any good bargains in the market anymore. Friday was a good day for a few retailers for different reasons. New-gen apparel retailer Stitch Fix got a nod of approval from financial analysts and an upgrade, and the stock surged more than 18%. Shares of GameStop also popped more than 58%. This one, however, was due to the so-called short squeeze. It's when a stock is heavily shorted and many are betting on the stock's price drop, but a small upward movement forces everyone who shorted the stock to buy the company's share to pay for the bet they have made against the stock. Trading had to stop at some point during the day to prevent a catastrophe. If you look at GameStop's stock chart and click on the sentiment indicator, you can see how heavily the stock was shorted, and it becomes apparent why the stock jumped so drastically on Friday. Shares of Intel dropped more than 9%. A few weeks ago, everyone was excited about the new CEO. Today, the company and the new CEO announced its latest quarterly earnings report. The earnings report was quite impressive, surpassing expectations. However, the incoming CEO told investors that he would want Intel to double down on building its own chips, and investors didn't like the direction because the company has fallen behind its more nimble competitors such as AMD. As it stands today, Intel's stock is quite undervalued, apparent from the company's stock chart, but it is unclear to me whether the company has the technological strengths to win over competitors. Therefore, I'm not yet 100% sure whether this is a good opportunity to buy the dip, something to watch in the next couple of weeks and months. To wrap up the week, let's do something a little bit different today. Let me share something interesting I've learned. Some of you who have been with the stock card for a while know how obsessed we are with overperforming the market. Generally, we believe we shouldn't stock pick if we can't overperform the S&P 500 return. That's why on all portfolios, either on a stock picks pages or monitor pages, we always calculate and show the average performance of the portfolio and the possible gain or loss compared to the S&P 500 performance. Now, with that context, recently I've been researching the cryptocurrency market and I came across a company called BlockFi. Remember, I'm not endorsing BlockFi. I'm just sharing an interesting observation from the cryptocurrency market. This is a cryptocurrency platform that allows you to buy and store your Bitcoin and other well-known cryptocurrencies. You can also store your US dollars on their platform. The interesting thing about it is that the company pays more than 8% per year if you keep your cryptocurrencies on their platform. This 8% per year is an interest rate that they pay on your holdings. The implication is that you can put your money there and easily match the historical return of the S&P 500. Of course, you always run the risk of losing value because cryptocurrencies are quite volatile, but nevertheless, more than 8% interest rate is almost unheard of. Let me know if you've ever looked into this company or if you already have an account with them, but this is something worth exploring and understanding because 8% interest rate on any sort of asset classes is an interesting and unique opportunity to make some money and surpass the return of the S&P 500 quite easily. I'll let you know when I have more details. This is sort of my research homework for this weekend. Okay, let's wrap up for the week. As always, if you like to give a StockCard VIP a try to research as many stocks as you want and follow successful investors' portfolios, use promo code ROLL with our CEO, all lowercase and in one word. That's it for today. If you like these quick market recap reports directly from my daily stock market research, please like and subscribe and share with your fellow investors. I'll see you next week.